Hey guys, welcome to another one of our super helpful videos on how to start a successful blog. In the next few minutes, we're going to talk about our advice for how you can make your first dollar, the 5 affiliate programs we recommend for new bloggers, and, just as importantly, exactly how to promote them. Don't forget to stay until the end of this video. We've negotiated a discount with our favorite blog hosting provider in case you haven't started your blog yet. Stay till the end and we'll describe exactly this amazing deal. Our goal is to help you make your first dollar. We highly recommend affiliate marketing for new bloggers. Essentially, affiliate marketing is encouraging your readers to purchase product and earn a commission. What's the formula to making money via affiliate marketing? It's really quite simple. Number one, you need to solve a problem for the readers of your blog. You need to provide an honest, relatable recommendation, and most importantly, you need to get the right readers to your post. This is the formula for successful affiliate marketing. Your readers have a problem, you have a solution to the problem. The solution to that problem involves buying a product upon which you earn a commission. There are 5 affiliate programs that we recommend for new bloggers to make their first dollar online. The first is web and blog hosting. The second is email marketing and email newsletters. The third is Amazon. The fourth is Airbnb, and the fifth is ShareSale. A quick aside, there's a couple programs we highly don't recommend. You will read about these, you will hear about them on YouTube. We think ClickFunnels and Shopify, while they can be highly paying affiliate programs, we don't recommend them for new bloggers. They're hard to promote. Unless you have past experience with ClickFunnels or Shopify, we don't recommend these new bloggers. Stick with the 5 we're going to talk about here. The first is web and blog hosting. What is it? Essentially, you encourage your readers to purchase their own web hosting or blog hosting upon which you get paid a commission. How much do these sites pay? Bluehost starts at $65 commission per signup. Siteground starts at $50 commission per signup. Both of these can be $100 plus per signup once you are making a significant number of sales per month. How do you promote it successfully? We recommend you write a detailed blog post on how exactly to start a blog or a successful website and link to Bluehost, Siteground, or another blog hosting provider. Second, you can make your first dollar promoting email marketing or email newsletter software. Encourage your readers to sign up for an email marketing provider. When they do so, you can earn a commission. How much do these guys pay? 2 sites we like, ConvertKit and ActiveCampaign, they both pay 30% commission recurring. This means as long as someone keeps being a customer, you will get a 30% commission each month, which is awesome. How do you promote it successfully? Again, write a detailed blog post on how to start a newsletter for bloggers and link to a provider with your affiliate ID. Third, we recommend Amazon's affiliate program, which is called Amazon Associates. What is it? When someone clicks your Amazon.com product link and makes a purchase, you'll earn a commission. Amazon pays between 2 and 10%, which varies by product category. This sounds low, but Amazon converts extremely well and people generally add more to their cart when they check out, so this can be very lucrative. How do you promote it successfully? We recommend that you review a product in depth and then link to Amazon with your affiliate ID. Airbnb is our next best recommendation for how new bloggers can make their first dollar online. How does it work? When someone books their first Airbnb as a traveler, you earn a commission. You will generally earn $30 when someone signs up for the first time and purchases a reservation on Airbnb. How do you promote it? Our recommendation is that on your blog, you describe your own awesome trip and then help your readers experience the same by linking over to Airbnb with your affiliate link. Fifth, we recommend ShareSale. ShareSale is a little different in that they are a platform that powers affiliate programs for many popular products and brands that you've heard of. How much do they pay? It varies widely, but keep in mind all of these sites do tend to pay generously because they want affiliates like you to help sell their products. How do you promote it? Essentially the same pattern. We recommend that you honestly and compellingly review products and services and then link to them with your affiliate ID. Here's a critical note. There's essentially two halves to affiliate marketing, the easy half and the hard half. The easy part of affiliate marketing is writing a blog post and linking correctly to the product or service. This might be difficult the first couple times, but eventually this is the easy part. The hard and the critical part of affiliate marketing is getting in front of the right people. If you just write a blog post, the odds that it ends up in front of the right people are relatively low. Most of the work of affiliate marketing is getting in front of the right people. And here are some notes on how we recommend you can do that. Practically speaking, we recommend spending time researching how other bloggers are promoting affiliate offers. Learn everything you can. Don't invent things from scratch. Use what is tried and true. Figure out how they're driving traffic to their own site and get in front of the right people. Are they using Pinterest? Are they using SEO, meaning being found in Google search results? Are they using paid advertising? Do they have an email newsletter? Are they driving traffic to your Instagram? Thanks so much for watching. Take a look at our Bluehost discount below. Bluehost is our blog host we've been using forever. We highly recommend it. We worked really hard to negotiate an insane discount where you can start a blog with Bluehost for less than $3 a month. We highly recommend it. Their support is amazing. They include a free domain. We worked really hard to get this 63% off discount with Bluehost. Please click the link below. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.